What's up guys, and today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video about a pack opening, so let's get this. So there's only 5 packs remaining on this and I've got 1050 FIFA points, but I'm only opening one of these mega packs. So let's get into this. So they expire in pretty much 5 hours. So let's do this. Good luck. Come on. Come on. Who is it? Centre back. West Ham. You. Lucas Peace. Oh, who's in it? That's actually a decent pack. That's actually decent. That's fine. Right. That's good. Yeah. I'm going to send all to club. Right. I'm going to send all to club and then sort that out later. So I have 350 FIFA points left, so I'm going to buy a Jumbo Premium Gold pack. There's 10 of remaining. Ooh, and then I'm going to only have 50 FIFA packs. If I open a Premium Gold, I'm going to open a Premium Gold pack. Right, this is the first one. I'm going to have one more, please. Who's it? Right wing. Who's this? Oh, right, they're already about you look. Okay. Right. Pack's fine. Still there. Okay, come on, can this be the best pack? Okay. Oh, wait, no. Oh, I have 200 left. What could I do? I can open 2 gold packs or a premium gold. I know this is better. I'm going to open 2 gold packs. Yes. I don't care if I'm spending these really quick. Okay, who's it? Right back. Not good. Alright. Decent. Yeah, they're okay. They're not okay. Yeah, I'm gonna send you to my club and then yeah, I'll do all the stuff later off camera, right? Sorry, some of these items can't be sold in the club. What? Oh, right. I get 1,000 coins. Damn. Right. We have 100 FIFA points left. So we're going to open another pack. Come on. I know you can do it. Okay, there's pack. Who's this? Oh, right, never heard of this. Alright, this is the... Oh, I thought I sold that for a second. Alright. This was probably okay pack opening. But yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, hope I'll be doing more pack opening soon. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because, yeah, my dad and my mum were awesome, and because it's pretty much like transfer day today. Well, I've got my results. I got a C2, but I don't really care. So I'm getting Pokemon Moon because it looks good, even though it's like couple of months old. But I don't care, I'm just going to anyway because it looks amazing. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you like that pack opening. I'll be doing more soon hopefully. And yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.